Welcome back, guys. This is a $30 no deposit bonus video, and in this video I'm going to open up with 3 points. The first point is going to be how to register and claim your $30 no deposit bonus. The second information will be on the terms and conditions for the withdrawal, the lot sizes, and all type of information that you need to follow when you get this $30 no deposit bonus. And also the third one will be the regulatory information and also the eligibility of customers and all people who are allowed to register on this broker. I'm going to give the name of this broker on the third point, and probably the link will be provided. Just keep watching the video until the end. If you're new here, guys, help us subscribe to this channel. It will help us grow, and also give this video a thumb up in appreciation for the content. Let's begin reading the terms and conditions of this broker base before we go further. And you can see this number one is not really important. By opening a trading account under this promotion, the client acknowledges that he has read and agrees to be bound by the terms and conditions, the general promotion terms, and the customer agreement. So number two here reads that this offer shall apply only to newly registered clients. So you have to be new on this broker for you to be eligible for the $30 no deposit bonus. Any eligible client that meets the criteria will be permitted to receive a no deposit bonus. So to activate the credit sum on the trading account, the client shall register only from the dedicated promotion page and verify the account as per the company terms and conditions. So what they are saying here at number 4, they mean that for you to get this 30 no deposit bonus, you have to follow the link I'm going to provide, and you go to that page. The promotion page is where you're going to start registering there. Then you will be eligible for the $30 no deposit bonus. And number 5 here, guys, says that eligible clients are permitted to hold only one account for purpose of the promotion. So you should not hold more than one account. You should not register with multiple accounts. So you are only allowed to register with one account. Multiple account registration from the same IP or physical address or with the same registered personal details are not permitted, as you can see here. And number 6 here, the bonus or any part of the balance of eligible accounts cannot be transferred to any other account. Failure to comply with will lead to the cancellation of the relevant account. So you can see here, guys, on number 7, this credit will be made available for 14 days only, and thereafter the account will be considered dormant, which will lead to the removal of the bonus and any associated balance. So you have to receive this credit within 14 days. You should be trading. Otherwise, if you didn't trade within 14 days, then they are going to cancel the bonus because it seems like you are not active. So then the bonus here at number 8 says that the bonus sum credited is applied purely for trading purpose and cannot be withdrawn. So the bonus cannot be withdrawn, but profit can be withdrawn. Let's read on number 9. Number 9 will go focus on the withdrawal. So one withdrawal of the profit generated from trading this promotion is allowed, provided that the required trading volume is completed fully. So what are the required trading volume? Trading requirements are for every $1 in profit generated, the client must trade 0.2 lots. So every dollar that you make should be generated through trading 0.2 lots with very nice term and condition, guys. For example, if $50 in profit is generated, the client must trade a 50 times 0.2, which is equal to 10 lots before the withdrawal will be processed. The client must trade at least the minimum total trading volume of 50 micro lots, which is 0.50 lots, prior to withdrawing. Only volume generated on Forex pairs count toward the volume required trades, and on other symbol will not count toward the volume the volume required. So what they're saying here, guys, is that you are only allowed to trade currency pairs. You can trade like gold and other futures and other indices, but those ones are not going to contribute to the count of the lot size that you have just traded here. So what they mean here, you're only supposed to trade currency pairs, forex pairs, then that will be better. So the number 10 point is important here. He's saying that the clients from Vietnam, the India, Pakistan are excluded from this promotion, guys. Sorry for the Indian and Pakistan and Vietnam. My top viewers are excluded from this promotion, guys. Don't feel bad. I'm going to provide for you other bonuses. Just keep subscribe and also like this video because this is information that people are looking for. Let's just push this video to the right customers. Any withdrawal from the account will lead to the removal of the bonus created amount and any remaining balance. What they mean here is that after withdrawing any amount of profit, let me say you trade and withdraw the $50 profit, then they are going to remove the whole balance. So then that's how they cancel the no deposit bonus account. So once you withdraw, then forget about the no deposit bonus, and it's really quite a smaller requirement for traders, guys, and hopefully you want to jump into this. I'll provide the link soon, guys. Just keep watching the video. So you can see here, guys, I'll provide the link soon, but firstly I want to see if there is any terms and conditions that need to be emphasized here. So it's number 9 on the withdrawal. So what you have to do is trading at least 10 lots for you to withdraw the amount of money. So 10 lots is not really that large, so you can trade this within a month and probably withdraw the amount of money that you're going to make from trading the 10 lots with a dollar equivalent to 0.2 lots. And you should not use the same IP and should not have multiple accounts. And as you can see, guys, the link is right here, and I'm going to provide that link down in the video description or probably on the first comment. So right now let's go check on the regulatory information of this broker. The regulatory information of this broker, guys, as you can see, the post was posted 4 hours ago on Facebook. So let me just go check on the regulatory information of the broker and see if we can get something useful for us there. And if you're still here, guys, the broker that we are talking about is right here. They are saying suspicious clone. I don't know how they rate it, but it gives the information right above here, guys. And so we're just looking for the legitimacy of the broker, and that's very important for all customers signing up. So what I'm saying here is that the broker is quite suspicious without a lot of information, including the fraudulent and so on. There are no fraudulent. They are only suspect that the broker is a clone, and they are not well regulated. So you have a choice, guys. Some of these brokers are always like that. So they may be good, they may be giving that bonus, but you know, some can withdraw, some people may not withdraw. So it's always like that, guys. But as you can see, they provide the information right here. They provided the information. The company's name is Quantix FS Limited or something like that, and they have a low score and probably not really enough information for the broker. And as you can see, guys, there is not much to talk about here. So what I was focusing on is just the legitimacy of the broker. It's not suspected in anything, but they are saying it's suspicious on the clone side because they think they have a license which is not real. So if you like this type of video, guys, thank you guys for watching one of my video, and hopefully you have subscribed, and hopefully you have also turned on the bell icon, and you have given this video a thumb up, and see you again on the next video.